Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. Yes, guys. So basically, the journey still continue with my princess, Diamante. So so now we're here in Olaba, just to show you guys, of one of Diamante family, the one that you saw in the video, which is Kadeen. She have a business where she do chemicals and then things. She got a chemical store. What are the name again?
South Avenue.
Yeah, so this is South Avenue, literally heading into the town, in Olaba. So I'm going to showcase a chemical store, for car products, house products, anything at all, chemical that needed, she have it, So let me show you the entourage that we're rolling with today, So first we have in the car, we have Jada is here, we have Jamie, this is Diamante crew over here, and you have Diamante there. And in the next car now, over here we have JD.
Bye.
We have the Nene crew over here. Shy. So this is Nene crew over here. The Nene crew. Now we have the Taya crew over here.
Hi everyone. Yeah.
She's a hot mess today.
Yes, today is a hot mess day.
Well, that's good. We don't always want to see the cultivator. We want to see the hot mess on here. And we have Kimberly around here. Hello, Kimberly.
Hi.
This is Kadeen friend.
Yeah.
I can see she's on the work as well too. So you're on the journey working, same way. I like that, very ambitious. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I make sure working at my office.
You're watching thing,
Make sure you watching at my office. So I'm going over Kadeen store now. So guys, so here is Kadeen store right now, the chemical store. Literally that I was telling you about. So if you drive cars, anything you got. So this is a chemical store right here for all the home and office chemical needs. So you have bleach, all-purpose soap, fabric softener, dishwashing liquid, degreaser, you name it. So it's called House-Made Cleaning Solution. We make home sparkles. So see that you have all the cleaning service, anything you want is here. And we also have the contact number. So even if you're watching and you live near Penn, Clarendon, anywhere we're close to Olaba, this is literally close to the town, so you cannot miss. Because I'm saying she's Diamante family, so it's all one family. You cannot miss it because this is the road that leads to the town, Olaba town. So familiar faces that familiar with the area. We literally see this place. I know it. So well. Good day. So here we have Kadeen right here.
Hi.
Which is Diamante family.
Yes.
Which is all one family from you watching. So what you have to offer here, Kadeen, in your store?
All cleaning products, anything that determines cleaning, keep your house fresh, keep it clean. It's right here. We have toilet tablets, we have bleach, we have all-purpose cleaner, which is pretty much like a household degreaser. Anything in the house we need grease down, all-purpose cleaner. We have the Clean, which is a disinfectant. We have dishwashing liquid. We have fabric softeners, all-purpose soap. We have, what else do I have over there?
So Soft.
We have So Soft, which is actually a very nice fragrance soap that you can use to wash your clothes or delicate clothes. We sell tissue, we sell Scotch Brite, anything at all we need cleaning. It's right here at House-Made Cleaning Solutions.
House-Made Cleaning.
Right.
And guys, you might come here, but you probably won't see Kadeen, but you'll probably see this lovely lady around here. Will definitely be serving you.
Deidre.
And her name is?
Deidre.
So it seems like we have a happy customer just come first.
That's great.
And the general is?
Yeah.
Happy customer? You say you always come here?
Well, it's the first time here. I was drawn here because I'm a patron of the car parts place. And
Okay.
I've seen this.
And then come buy some stuff for him cart. And not only do we sell household products, we sell car items also, tire shine, car shampoo, Amaral, air fresheners for car, headlight cleaners, all of those items we have them.
Okay, yeah, because we definitely gonna need that tire shines because I can't always wait upon these man to wash my car for the tire to look shine. And a little Admiral for when time the sun up burn out the dashboard, the Admiral will definitely protect it. Can you use Admiral on your dashboard too? Yes, because a lot of people don't like use it, but trust me, it do protect it from the sun. Because the sun in Jamaica, I tell you, it beat the car like it's in an oven. So you need to come and get the tire shine. You see it? This thing is well packaged. You know, so you don't have nothing to clean bad mind. No, that.
No, we're not for clean bad mind. There's everything else we can clean, but not for clean bad mind.
I think you have to go start work on that one because
we
need it a lot, you know?
Yes.
Because it's only bad mind now want to support where I go on.
That is it.
So we have to have that product there for them, you know?
Right.
I like the progress. So what else we have can give away today?
Giveaway. We can give away if this lovely customer wants to purchase a tire shine and a car shampoo. We're giving him also a free chamois with it.
Oh,
yeah.
Hey, that my general also. So listen, that offer is gonna always available orders for today offer.
Today to about next week. Just because of any customer come in here and ask and tell us they will sleep on Akeynote.
Yeah.
Akeynote? Yeah. Them get a free chamois car shampoo, tire shine, free chamois.
So tell them again once more, where is this store located?
So this is located in Old Avo on 20 South Street. That's right on the Trinjam complex. So it's Trinjam Auto, and right inside on this complex, this is where we're located. Housemate Cleaning Solution. From Monday to Saturday, we're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And you don't miss, guys, don't miss. If you drive a car, you have a taxi, anything also you're close by, come by, you know, Clarendon, you name it, Maypen, anywhere there you can always pass by, come get the best product, because trust me, you have a lot of knockoff out there, but this not the knockoff, this knock on.
That's right.
You know, so you get this wax on, wax off by your vehicle. Wait, you have wax?
So the car shampoo is actually not just a soap for the car, it also comprises of wax.
Okay.
So when you use it on the car, it keeps the car polished for a long time.
Okay, so I guess I need to get myself on this
you
when
definitely need
my car go wash.
You definitely
because I usually use water alone. You use shampoo on your car, just water. Shampoo. Yeah, because I usually use only water.
No,
so
you
this
need to get
good.
one of the car shampoos, you know.
Alright, so I'm gonna purchase. Put one then now.
Alright.
Put one then now. Want a tire shine too, you know. Yeah, man, but spray. So this is a spray on the tire, right?
Yeah, you just spray on the tire.
I need something bigger, I want something small, because my car can't manage too much weight right now. So give me the smaller one. And look at my for me can rub for my dashboard. Please as well too. So tell the general one. So it says sponge for the Amaral. Where you sell for what the Amaral on your vehicle?
Well, actually no, we don't have the sponge today. Can check us back next week. We have the sponge for the Amaral. Right.
Okay. So see the guys, I'm gonna say, give them a contact number or get a free shot, man.
Yes.
That one you have to wash off for shine the car, which one?
Yeah, you can use it for wash and dry off the car.
So I'm to the one for shine the car.
Well, I guess you can purchase another one though.
Okay. Alright then. So thank you so much. So give them a contact information, please.
So our contact information is 431-2378, and we also offer delivery service mainly on Saturdays though, in and around Old Avo.
Oh, so they don't have to come out them house.
That's correct. And also we have the accessibility of using a point of sale machine. So if you don't have cash, you have to go look the cash to come, or have it right here.
So what about somebody calling from the grill?
Well, if the person calling from the grill, they might have to just arrange with us so that we can send out the items to them on a notes phone.
Okay, okay. So what the furthest you would have drive to?
In Old Avo, so we do like the New Avo villages, Marley Mount, Gutters, the most we ever gone to.
Okay.
So in and around Old Avo, that's what we do delivery, mainly on Saturdays.
Not every Kingston?
No. Well, Kingston customer have to call me and make arrangement because I do have extension in Kingston also for product.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. So guys, so here's what I'm going to get today. You know, this is the Akeynote production right here. So when I come and say, let me get the Akeynote package. This is the Akeynote package right here. The shampoo, the Amaral, they get a free shampoo and wait for buy another one. See? to shine the car. So, alright, Kadeen, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So, guys, I'm gonna say, feel free to support each other and check out what I go on. You know, the thing goes nothing but love and love alone. I'm gonna say, we'll leave from here. You know, the thing goes already. So, stay tuned. Brother?
Yeah.
Kadeen,
Kadeen, what was that?
First time I come here, hear me. It's a way back of God. I guess when you reach, I guess I will keep party, the commissioner, police, everybody there. Yeah, nice little end zone spot, man.
nice little end zone, yes. off the island.
See the same thing?
Oh, come on, oh, we are going to start a cow, start a donkey. Eh?
But guess what? You come to Jamaica and that is
Right, we start a cow, we start a donkey, we start all of that. You know how far away it is right now?
boys content.
Boys content, but this come like a God's content. It's like we leave the universe. Listen, I thought it was going in Old Harbour, but it's in and out and around of the corner of Old Harbour. Hey, listen, I'm not even laughing. Is the view for where we are right now. Look at the view. Look at the view, man. We're literally so far away right now. So far, so far, trust me. Far, guys, we're so far away. But they're enjoying themselves. There's a little mini pool here where everyone can enjoy themselves. Yeah, listen, we're definitely in the countryside. We came into our lab, as you could see, and then now we continue to drive up in the hills, probably about 45 minutes drive from where it was in the town, you know, to come up here. 45 minutes drive. So I guess this is a house. You know, this is like where someone live, but him kind of converted it in a way. Him develop, you know, him having pool, he got everything inside of it. You know, it's a good environment. He got bars, he got other rooms, so as you can see. guys. Well. Hello, cat. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's that time for Diamond Pay. You know, we're getting ready to go home, so you know, getting ready. Yeah? Yeah, so getting ready to go home guys. So you know the thing goes, whenever they leave in Jamaica, they have to carry the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
So she want patty to bring us with her, right? And some snacks. So we're here at Tasties, gonna get her a box of patty. What type of patty you want?
Beef.
Beef. One whole heap of beef she gonna eat. You know, boy, time run off so quick. Guys, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. You know, I can't hold all the tears when that come down. Tete, you cry. So she's trying her best not to cry. You know, let's see if she can hold it. But trust me, I'm gonna miss my din. So, oh boy, the smell of patty in here is so nice. The smell of patty.
I only need.
Yeah,
I want to take.
Alright guys, so I placed the order, waiting for the patty for she to take up, you know. Boy, time fly up so quick. So quick, man. It's a short one. So you know I'm wearing my Arab hat today. You know, I feel like Dubai here in Jamaica. You know. Here in Jamaica. We're here in Jamaica. So guys, so we're gonna head to Elcha, you know, to go eat fish and you know get some of the Elcha vibes over there, some of the salt water. You know, so we don't have much to do, you know, but she want to go and try the fish over there because you know Elcha is known for the food spot right now, so that is the plan for today, you know. So she's here with her cousins and her mom is going to meet her over there because her mom going to see her side of family as well. So we definitely meet them over there. So what I will do, we get the party here and then drop it off back at home and then head to Elcha. And then that's all our vibes. Hopefully it don't rain. We see some clouds because in Jamaica recently it's been pure rain. Not about rain. So hopefully we don't get too much rain as well, you know. So yes, I'm sad. I'm so sad. The time has run out already. But this is the quickest time I ever seen fly past. But maybe because she was being so active up and down every day. Yeah. See no life in Jamaica. Yeah, vlog. I'm vlogging. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Like, tell them. They might hear me now?
Yeah, they might hear you.
Don't know, say one brown man for the app. They can type in Jackie on TikTok. I see me out there, Jeff. So, you know, say, I YouTube. You think that I just see the camera, we know the camera. You know, so when they saw see him when I do some video around this up, but just like madman.
Oh, okay.
You know him. You know, on YouTube, he's just like my madman. Yeah, I'm do prank.
Okay.
But remember when name, I'm subscribing to his video. So let's say name?
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Go me a type in a subscribe here.
Alright.
So me a on YouTube.
Yeah.
So when I post na you get?
No, you're gonna see it though. Once you subscribe, you will see. Alright?
And I press the notification bell so you can see it.
Yes.
So when you can check out video.
You will see.
Yeah, you know.
You know the thing though. Yes guys, I know the thing goes already, so at least it's not so busy in here. Look, we came in, they work pretty fast, but I look now, the place is getting empty. So just be waiting for my box of packing and then I will be out of here. See me here. Yeah. Respect. Tea here, more box of coffee. Yeah, and we're good to go. Box of coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, look at it, yeah.
Give him. Give him.
What, video? He was in the video just now.
Yeah, I was watching him. He came to us first. Thank you for this. Thank you so much.
So I guess your mom, yeah, just heading to mama. So I'm going to quickly go to the ATM and come back. Yeah.
Yeah, you have good job, boy.
See there, big up.
Big up yourself, Kira. Alright. Bless up. Kita pun ke Kino sa pick.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Alright, cool.
This is my sister. Look at the program, you know.
Your sister?
Yeah, man, we tell you, she's like Kino.
Yeah, man, big up, man.
Yeah, man.
She always a watch, I go see her.
Always a watch.
What's your name?
Anita.
Nita?
Yeah.
Nita.
Big up.
Big up yourself, Nita. Just meet your brother. Thank you so much for watching. You know you think of Nita every time. Yes. Alright, big up. Yeah. Been a while, man.
Come here, somebody say, oh, you know me, I want that.
Right, man. Glad to see you, I know my daughter, they're at the car, you know, my daughter. Diamond,
Yeah! How old is she now?
19.
Is she?
She come celebrate her birthday down here.
When was her birthday?
The 4th.
And mama was on Friday gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to bring them go Elja.
Okay.
Oh, that's my boy, I'm glad, happy to see you. Artist. So still do music?
No, not really, not as much.
No.
Yeah.
How much fun are you too? Oh, come on, after that son I tell you. Oh, Lord. Look at the Adzi.
What?
So long now in the year?
Monday the 6th.
Okay.
We're going back for the 20th.
Okay.
I'm at my mom's house in Harvey.
Okay, how are you?
We went milk and honey yesterday. Daybreak.
Okay, was that daybreak?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm meant to go as well.
Everything's link up tonight.
Oh?
Yeah, go outside.
Aye. Well, I'm here, that woman here. One team. big up. You know, with family, with every pass.
Anyway,
Yeah.
be nice. I just saw it.
Outside, you done outside already?
Alright then, dream team. No love, yeah?
Blessing, yeah.
Alright, cool. The artists who are going to do the music?
Not as much now.
Not as much?
Yeah.
Well, the UK artists, you know, the female artist guys, you know, it's been a while, so she hasn't been doing anything yet, so, you know, she's been doing it. See that Jamaica should have done something quick and fast.
I know, but I don't have the right links. Give me a link, don't give me a link then, no?
Alright, but the time I run out, but we have the link is here, man. You can link it with all our bras record, you know? Man, the link is here, trust me. So I wanna go.
I don't feel like we passed it. No.
What are you looking for?
No, we have
Oh. Alright, Sam, you have to get it in. We have so much spot. In there, so the car park, you know. So, you know. Yeah, come see her, she like her. Big woman now, you know. I know you're in there.
No way. Hello. You wrote so much. Wow.
Yeah. She's grown.
Your birthday so far.
Yeah.
Big woman, you know.
Hello at the back.
I'm close with them at the back.
Okay.
I'm close with them. So Sam, you know the thing going on.
Come on, man.
Come
on. Brother called me. Mr. Mama, go back and tell you something. This is my big friend. I got to pity them.
Yeah, alright then.
Yeah,
Man.
Later.
Later. Those are my Brixton linkies.
This is DD Cam. When my dad edits this year, I want him to put DD Cam on the screen. DD Cam. Because this is Diamonte's Cam. Or you can put Diamonte's Cam, anything. DD Cam or Tay Cam, whatever you want to put. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me turn this down. DD's Cam right now. We are stopping to get something to eat, but I decided to stay in the car because, yeah, I feel like a YouTuber. So yeah, DD Cam right now. I don't know what else to say. Outfit check. Just wearing this, you know, something simple. This dress, and yeah, we're going to the beach. It's my last 2 days, today and tomorrow. Guys, it went by so quick, so quick, but I had like the best birthday, the best time here. I couldn't ask for I couldn't ask for anything better. Something's in my eye. Yeah, I couldn't ask for anything better. I'm just so glad I chose to come to spend my birthday with my dad, because as you guys may know, I haven't spent my birthday with him in some time. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just waffling, but I just thought, my dad doesn't even know that I'm doing this, by the way. So he's just gonna see it when you guys, well, when he's editing. But yeah, guys, I should have been doing this from ages. DD coming in. I know you guys were like, DD Cam, just listen to me talk. But yeah, make sure you guys, how can I say, thank you for all the birthday wishes. Thank you. I've seen some of the comments. Thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. I actually appreciate them. Yeah, all you guys are all saying I look like my grandma. Like, oh, where it is. I see it, not gonna lie. But yeah. Okay, bye guys.
We go bad man. Yeah, those guys have just literally reached Elcha. You know, so we're gonna patrol a bit. So you can see. Now what right? Round the side. Smell the sound. Over on that side there. Well guys, we got some overcast. It's not, the sun is hiding because we got some clouds. We got some clouds. Yeah. Yeah, we know what the thing go, man. Yeah. This is where you'll be swimming. Alright. All of it. Guys, Elcha is a pretty live day today. Place is busy. Yeah. Oh, did? Yeah? Gosh, come back, man.
Oh, that's all right, man.
Pick up yourself, man, every time.
No for my respect.
Yes. Pick up. Oh, you're so white.
Yes.
Are you brown? to go. Cool. Yeah, man.
Still there.
Yeah.
It pause.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling.
So then they said they scared her of the water. Then they said she's not going in the water.
They're not going to what? You scared? Got in dog, get them in, yeah?
Yes.
See the next one then.
Them nice.
Okay, come on.
You need a drink.
Go and get her a drink.
You need one? You ate all. You ate one. Either go get them and I tell you it's really hot.
So why you give her if it's really hot? Why you give her the shrimp if it's really... So why you give her diamond head? Come here. Give it back.
Go and get her a drink, I'm telling you.
Diamond head. You're wicked to yourself, eh? Diamond head, come here. Come here. Give it back to your mommy. Give it.
You don't like it.
No. It's too hot. Remember what we talk about with...
Hey, can I get a drink?
You know, this morning I have to stop and buy 4 bag juice.
Yeah.
Everybody want ice. Kaya say her ears start ring. Yeah, Demeter, she the first one. It's not that bad. She feel lightheaded.
And she still a good on your night, see me.
It's nice, so the same time. Nice.
Give me a lot of voice gone. No, star. What's back at? Hello. General. Get one soft drink, no, please. Guys, I don't know why she go eat this pepper shrimp. You cannot drink no fizz, take it off. Make it worse. Yeah, one. It's tough.
No, it's not like that.
Guys, I know why she go and eat this pepper shrimp. And she still have it same, you still gonna eat more? Listen, how much is this? Think of one.
Yeah, man.
You have a festival in there ready?
You know, so I tell me, I see you. I'm going to see you soon. You're going to class. You're so forward.
Yeah. You have a festival in there ready?
I'm not ready yet. Yeah, you're not for one up here. Yeah?
Uncle Damien. Yes, bro. Yeah. Verbo in town.
Diamond uncle rolling in. And like Damien. Good owner, man. Diamond uncle, guys. Hello.
What's that?
Yeah, as you come and want food.
Damien in the building.
Remember me?
Yeah, of course.
You remember me? And her daughter, get big. Hi.
Hello.
What's her name?
Yanni.
Right. Where you park? On the other side. Okay. So
No.
what are we doing?
No.
Come in here.
Hi, mommy.
You know, and shrimp.
Try this. Try it. Try it.
What's this? Hurry something.
Right? She will pull up. Okay. Walk one.
Bring your camera this time.
Yeah,
Follow the feet.
Yeah, nobody left it. Look like you're loaded. Loaded today.
No planting. No planting.
Come on, go on, try. But up here, so. Them sugar, right?
Yeah. Majority of them. And them
Yes.
Think
Think about
yeah, man, everything active.
yeah, man, cool, man. So guys, so we're here at Felicia Seafood Restaurant here in Elcha. Trust me, I eat here once. I have to come here to eat here twice because the food is really nice and she has some special offer and all the
Real
thing.
stuff, you know?
And it's a real thing. It's not no
Real
fake thing. We have the real chefs and the real ladies them here. And so we have Felicia over here herself. The guys is Felicia, not Felicia.
hi.
You know, because my sister named Felicia, they might be saying, oh, Felicia. So she's the founder here. You know, and trust me guys, when you come here.
Me and him.
Yeah, and him. So you're not related? Oh, a girl. No, I never know. Never know. Just let me know when the bell ring, yeah?
No, so now what's the shit? They must see me.
Alright, that is it. So it's either or either, you will see them.
Yeah.
When I say both, it's even greater. Trust me.
You're not going to say you're going to Felicia, yeah?
Bowl. Okay, so see here, this is how them do it. Natural wood fire. Oh,
Great, jerkish.
it's like jerk fish. Wow, guys, this is a jerk fish. You know, and we have pan and steam there, fire there. And the wood they use, you know, is what type of wood is this one?
Bobby. Bob. I ain't gone.
Pimento?
No, I'm not pimento this. Bob, I forgot to tell me now.
I forgot to tell you.
Them here. Three of them.
Guys, trust me, the place is really busy. You know, Felicia and her husband is really busy, so I'm also the chef, and Felicia the chef also too. So see, you have the
Steam Bobby.
steam by me here. Something like jerky should look good. Red, green and gold I'm seeing guys. Red, green and gold. Red, green and gold. So you also do takeaway as well too, right?
Take out, yeah.
Takeout, okay. So what about catering here, like for birthday parties?
Yeah.
You also
But
do?
it depends on which day.
Okay. So you cater for them and everything, right?
Yeah.
So you definitely lock that day off just for the
Yep. Or I send someone.
to do that. So
You know, majority of the people who come here want to see me.
yes. But guys, remember she's all over TikTok, she's all over the social media, you know, because trust me, the food is finger licking good. You know, look at the festival them look nice and pretty. So guys, so look, you know, see it no burn, it no nothing. It's all well ready. Woo. Guys, you know you need to try when you come here. The sweet chili shrimp. Wow.
What kind of
Festival. You know when you say, you must know. Good. But the place is busy, you can't say you really get busy at times though.
Yeah. What about me forget? Why a transfer? Paradise
She's like a lighter.
Yes, of pasta.
Like and that jerk can make it a little bigger.
Where's a jerk for baby?
No, for me.
Oh, jerk spicy.
No, for me. You know, so I want them to make it a little bigger. Try to shrink a bit. One bigger one like this.
like and I let the man see the thing. You can't go take picture and you have to print it. And I tell you say take picture and you know print it. I'm gonna put up in that. The man take a picture a long time. That's it.
Bad mood and all that. Yeah, Monday. Alright guys, blessed love, blessed love. Yes guys, so this shopping is not to stack up the grocery that is at home. This shopping is for her to buy snacks for her to take back to the UK. You know, it's not a happy shopping. This is not a happy shopping. You know, before the excited ex come they pick up what you want. But now she's picking up to leave with it. You know, it's not good. She'd pick up and stay with it. Right, Tay? Yeah. She should pick up and stay with it. So you're going down to the snack section?
Yeah.
Guys, she's picking up to leave. Not picking up to stay, you know.
Oh, the toothbrush. Do they have it in here?
Toothbrush?
Yeah.
Let me check. Not this section though. Not this section. But if it's not in here, just remind me to get it when we reach back down. Yeah, it says there. Take some Milo. Take some Milo? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I had a bag of Lasco. I'm not even opened it yet. I'll take that.
You want to get more Lasco?
No, I already got one bag.
That's fine?
I know I want kiss cake.
Remember, the kiss cake was on the next side.
Yeah.
So guys, what would you get if you're going back to the UK and you want to take some snacks? You know, because so far she get the butter kiss already, I know Milo, chips of oil.
They have that.
Yeah, you got chips of oil over there. See that there's chocolate chips. What about Shirley biscuit? You know what it does?
And then plus we have that. I'm pretty sure.
These snacks look foreign. Here's your chips them over here. Your banana chips.
Oh yeah. Oh, we have
Just leave the trolley there. Let's get your chips.
some banana. Is it just the big packs they have? It's just the big packs they have.
Just the big packs there, girl? Come on.
Yeah, I can't see the small ones of these.
Bring it up
Maybe
here,
it's the next section.
Should I leave it and me check?
Let me check. The cheese, no, you know, nothing with cheese. Sweet tea. That's it.
From this section. I don't know what else. I'll just cut through. It gets cream crackers. Get some cream crackers. I saw them. I just don't remember where.
Cream crackers?
Yeah.
Over there. Same place where you go. Yeah.
One of the big packs and one of the small packs.
Alright, let's get the small ones then, so you can hold. Was it those one, the one that you want?
Yeah, it was this that you got for me at the house, innit?
No,
It wasn't?
different, yeah.
Oh.
Different. Kiss cakes.
One more. Yeah, these are just birthday cakes. Oh. Wait, but that's not where it is. So where is it?
Over here. Goldies. You should.
Because I know that's nice. I love stuff like this, like clean food.
Look like it's done. They just bring out one box, that's it.
Isn't it? That's what I'm thinking. But I can't see it nowhere else.
I think these were the one that you used to get.
Really? I used to eat that.
Yeah, it's the same kiss.
Oh.
What was it?
It's just...
It's the same similar ones to those ones.
But that's banana bread.
It's the Jamaica. Wait, you try winter fresh before?
No, it's lamb.
Okay, it's a mistake.
Yeah.
Listen, my princess is working, and you still working at 9 to 5. She's working 9 to 5.
What did you see my Didi scam? Did you watch that video? You'll see when I did it, when he edited it.
Why, you on your status?
No, I did, when you went yesterday, I did Didi scam.
DD scam? What's that?
Well, I was just talking to the camera.
On my camera?
Yeah,
When?
yesterday.
Yes,
But you was in the car.
Where was I?
You went to go get Patty.
Oh. No, but I never leave my camera.
You did?
No.
When you went to go get the juicy with Jaydan man.
Okay.
You're gonna see I did Didi's cam.
DD scam?
And when you do it, you have to put on the screen Didi's cam.
DD scam.
Yeah.
I don't know that one.
Cam, like, when you say, like, if you say Kino cam, it's just, you still have to either put Didi's cam or put Tay-Tay's cam. When you edit it, say it, you have to put it there.
No, but it's still Kino scam.
No, then that one is my cam.
No, you had my channel.
No, but it's my cam.
Says Keno life in Jamaica cam, he was on. You hear that guy? She tell me that she do DD cam.
He doesn't even know what it is. Guys, tell him what it is. If you say like Tay-Tay's cam or DD's cam, it means that it's my cam right now. Like what I'm saying.
I know, but what you were saying was at the same time you were saying that my camera. So I don't care.
Oh my day.
Guys, she was saying it at my camera. So
when you edit it, you have to say DD's camera. Put in the writing.
I'm not putting no writing or DD's camera. Guys, I went to get pie. She took my camera up and doing her DD's cam whatsoever and Keno Life in Jamaica camera. You know?
This Keno Life in Jamaica channel.
Yeah.
But it was DD's cam at the time because it was DD talking.
Yeah, you were talking on my cam. The guy, she was talking on my cam. So I don't know what she's telling me, but it was at my cam. So when you look, it's gonna see down here at the bottom left corner, you're gonna see
your logo.
My logo.
No, but in writing.
But in writing,
you have to put.
You're not gonna see that.
And that Pooper did, guys. He's gonna put DD's cam right here. So you have to put the writing when I do this. DD's cam.
Oh, the tree you put it there.
Yeah,
guys. It's when you say that you're gonna see her on a move. You're like, what's going on? What she's moving, but you're not seeing any words. You know, it's too bad. She'll just make him know. So, hey, welcome to Keno's cam. You know, DD says dim dim. So DD's dim dim.
No.
But you said DD.
DD. It's just DD. That's a nickname that I have. That people call me. They call me DD.
Well, see, I just know about DD. I know about dim dim.
Okay, you can put dim dim.
So the dim dim that's what the DD is for. So if you never know that, it's the dim dim.
Okay, well you can put dim dim's cam then, but it has to say my name cam.
What do you think, guys? Cause she's on my camera telling me to put her name on my camera. So unless when she come back and when she ready, she can start back her vlog. Because I remember she started out doing vlog as well, you know, and she got shook. She got shy and stop it. You know, she done so well. What age was that?
I was in like year 8, so that's about 13, 14.
Yeah, you know, and she's top. That was like what, 2020 or 2019?
Yeah, that's year 8.
Yeah, and she's topping. So I know she will do good. She'll do good, but welcome to Keno's cam. You know, guys, so we're done all this shopping, you know, the snack shopping, so the only thing left for her to get now is her bag juice. Yeah. And so she want the Jamaican toothbrush. Them rough one.
Because they do good. They get where they need to get.
So I have to go get that as well too. But you get that mostly, you don't get that in the supermarket.
I'm pretty sure the brand's like, is it Alex?
The
brand's like Alex or something like that.
But the supermarket don't sell these stuff. Look at that. Huh?
A hose.
Is that a hose? This?
A hose.
The whole of Jamaica should buy and put tonight, mama.
See that?
I tell you. I get it in my container. Work it out. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, put it there.
In the back?
Yeah. No, put it same place in there. Roll this one.
Put it on you.
Yeah. Come on this way. Say your bye-bye. Say your byes.
Bye guys, everybody stop crying.
Oh, I don't know when.
Soon again.
You cry, Jeremy? Remember bad feel. Alright, come on. Safe.
Why are you not crying?
We are crying inside. Bye, Mama. Bye. When you reach, have a safe flight.
Thank
I'll see
you.
in December, my birthday. When I come, we turn. Alright. Bye, big deal.
Thank you. Take back juice. Thank you. Man, can get her bag juice.
And it's my favorite flavor too.
Yeah. Alright guys, alright. No, I'm not alright. No, I'm not alright. I said alright guys, but no, I'm not. Are you alright?
No.
We are not alright guys. We are not alright.
That blue fast so quickly.
Time, right? Oh my days, I can't believe time runs right out already. Oh no. Chop. You know what? They've never heard me swear yet. Chop.
Charles the swearer.
No, but that's a chop. They know, them Jamaicans do when they say chop. They know what comes after that. No, like, nah, swear, but chop. Gonna do it for me. I said chop. Oh, she's gone already. She's leaving me. What? Something fall. Oh, it's my battery. No man, time flight.
It's not gonna be long till I'm back.
Yeah, it's not gonna be long. But we literally have a great 2 weeks.
I know. That's why I went by so fast. We was so much fun.
We had a great 2 weeks. I'm not even lying, guys. Trust me.
Best birthday.
Yes, guys. Boy, as what we were saying, man, the time was run out so quick. You know, and trust me, that band that we had for that short period of time, trust me, it really took us to another level that we've been missing for the longest while. You know?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Who's this? Sure.
It's gonna sound extra loud now that I'm talking close, isn't it?
Oh no. Alright guys, so I'm gonna say I wish my princess a safe flight back home. You know, and then we'll see her back again soon in the future. Very soon. It's not gonna be a long this trip for her to come back, you know. So
we're not letting it go that long.
yeah. Definitely not gonna make it take that long. You know, because trust me, when it take that long and she came for that quick, that short, you feels it even more.
It's like a teaser.
Yeah. That teaser is no, but you know it's good at least, you know, but trust me. So you know she got an early flight today. So
that as well makes it feel like it went shorter because
and guys, our suitcase is heavy, like I don't know what's in there, but the weird one will only pass up. So I'll go pay for the extra, you know, because she buy the whole of the Jamaican snacks, then the bag juice, the patty them and this and that to bring up. So she don't have to do no grocery shopping. She do all that grocery shopping them already.
Yeah, we got so much snacks.
Yeah, she got so much snacks. So guys, so thank you guys so much, you know, for the blessings and for her birthday wishes that each and everyone that sent out the time, and you want to thank them again once more.
Yes, thank you for all the birthday wishes that I've seen and I appreciate all of you guys. And thanks for supporting my life as well.
Yeah, so
that's it.
So So yes guys, so thank you so much for the love and the support. You know, please remember to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button, you know, and select the bell. You know, select all in the option to get all notifications. You know, so let's come on the journey to say, oh God.
It's not buys. What they say
It's not
buys.
buys.
See you later.
See you later. It's not bye. So it's see you later. So I'll definitely see you later. Sometime later. You know, later. You know, everything will definitely be greater. So bless and love. Peace. Come Tay. Alright guys, so we just reached at the airport. You know, just reached. So we sorted out some of diamond hair weight, so it's not so bad. Diamond hair, what is it? Come here. Come right this way. Like put your hand over your face, like put your hand over your face, like. Okay. Remember. Ooh. There.
In a few moments, we'll begin boarding JetBlue Flight 157064 London, Air 84. We board by boarding group in the following order: customers with disabilities, Mosaic members and customers, A, which includes or even more customers, active military and families with children in car seats or strollers.
So guys, so
B, followed by group C.
I'm gonna make sure stay that nothing is not overweight at all.
Boarding lanes until your group is full. If you don't have a seat assignment or boarding listed, please come see us here at the podium.
You can't manage. No sir. Hey Nanny, your vlogs.
I'm tired of being strong, so when I'm here, I don't need to be strong.
Identify yourself to an agent.
As a reminder, each officer will have one carry-on bag that fits in the overhead bin. If there's space, closest will be checked here at the gate.
Thank
Your
you,
carry-on bag has an expandable panel. Please zip it up and make sure it fits in the back.
Manners, cool.
We also ask that you please remove any portable chargers or lithium-ion batteries before checking your bag. Smart bags and keep them visible. For those using a mobile boarding pass, please turn the brightness up on your device all the way up. We also recommend taking the next few minutes before boarding begins. Use the restrooms here.
Yeah, she can take long.
No,
Oh, diamond attack. To the tire attack. Yeah, man. No, my diamond ain't coming back soon. Yeah. You can't take all the time you want. You can't tell her. Of course. What's she talking about, Tete? In it? I know what she's talking about.
That page is for Stephen Williams. That's Stephen Williams. Kindly stay to member here at gate number 4.
As we continue to airlines flight,
but she can't leave the vehicle.
Support all remaining guests. That's all remaining guests in boarding service. You must do so now. You can get them.
Not for too long. Listen, them might watch you somewhere, you know. Unless you move them clamp, push up.
2051, yes. Sorry, boy. Ela Campbell fan.
All is like this.
Yeah.
And like that. Till they say you can't really go too far.
Come back?
Eh?
Anybody here come back to her?
No.
JetBlue flight 376 with service support on the Florida pages for
Alright, Kadin, you know the thing, bro. Yes, man. Keep building. So I'm going to go over the car park. Come here, son. Right here, so let me check. Be right here.
Yes, I put someone up on that. This one, 22. I think you should put something. That's how much. 22 and then money. I feel like this one I make it 22.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll go check in first, but the time is going.
Yeah. Night day.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, it's a light. Hey, come. Hold on. Eh? Oh, go ahead. Yeah, black. Yeah, black.
You think good?
Yeah, man. Yeah. When I say I would, man. Yeah? Yeah.
What gate did she say? Gate 8?
I know it's fine. Come, Tete. My Tete. Come here. We are. Oh, guys, my Tete. Oh, no. No, she's going to go check in. So, you know when she's going to check in.
That's where the real goodbye comes.
Oh, my days. My heart is hurting me. Boy, my heart hurt me. Yo, guys, you know what? Flight delay. Come here. Hey, bye-bye. See you later. No way. Oh, no way. Boy. Guys, see there? All gates. Oh, no. I can't.
She's so charming.
I can. Only time I give my daughter a nice. Come, go on.
Hold this.
Finally, you turn blagger.
Hold this for me, some drop.
Oh.
Goodbye. You're gonna make me cry. Don't put my face in the camera.
Right. Oh.
Baby, cry.
Oh, she's crying.
It's alright, you're coming back soon. We're all coming together.
You. Crying? Oh,
It's alright, it's alright.
Can you take the camera off me?
Bye.
sure. See you soon.
Yeah.
Miss you already.
Mr. Fly.
Tears of joy. Yes, which is Mr. Fly. Right there.
Can you take it off now? Take it off me.
Soon again, okay?
Why is that so?
Yeah, Brad?
Mommy.
Clark, Titania, Michael, Felicia, Cooper Burger, and Amar number 3.
Take that off your face.
Excuse. Come, because if you guys want to get something to eat. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye, Kino.
Bye, Nene. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye. I'm coming. I'm coming. Bye. I forgot my passport. Come. Oh no. Oh boy. Alright guys, my princess gone checked in, so you know that's where we lose contact. You know, that's where we lose contact because she's gonna go upstairs and everything. I really felt that one. I really do felt it. You know, really feel that one there. Soon again, soon. My princess is gone. That one was so short and spicy, but you know, it's all love for my kids. It's all love. Anyone knows me, know that me, I put out for my kids, you know. It's all love. We'll see each other again soon and very soon. Definitely for sure. Anyway, definitely for sure. So Tay Tay. Peace.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.